engineers, so as a kid they gave me Lego kits which let me explore mechanical engineering techniques and properties. I immediately was in love and couldn't get enough. Ever since then, I continued building my knowledge and skills with Lego robotics and then onto computer software programming. I knew I had found exactly what I wanted to do when every day I worked felt satisfying and fulfilling. To be an engineer is to be a professional problem solver. Each day I am faced with a dynamic set of problems that I must create novel and creative solutions to. Solving these problems as an engineer not only requires the ability to solve the problem, but to iterate on it and continue to make the solution better. And of course, to document the progress along the way to make sure your future self can understand what was going through your brain at the time. TMA allows me to involve myself in creating solutions that I am proud of and that I'm excited to work on the next day. I had always focused on software development throughout college, but I only had a basic knowledge of hardware. TMA allows me to build software that I am familiar with, but also expand my knowledge into fields that I have a lot of learning to do. I enjoy diving into the technical side of PLC connections and seeing how they can fit into the greater data system that I created. My name is Abdelsamed, and I am proud to be an engineer.